Top 6. Best wire strippers and stripping tools. However, when it's time to choose the right best wire strippers and stripping tools, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 6 best wire strippers and stripping tools on the market today. So if you're interested in what best wire strippers and stripping tools will work best for you, stay tuned. Number 1. Best overall. Klein Tools 11055 Wire Cutter and Stripper. Number 2. Runner-up. Irwin Vice-Grip Wire Stripping Tool.
Gut, grit, and a firm grip. We loud and respect it, and those that have it. From their first turn of a screwdriver to the millionth wall they've framed, we celebrate every hard-earned callus. Early mornings, late nights, bad weather, and short deadlines. These guys show up, and so do we. Quality that endures, commitment that never falters. That describes Irwin as much as it describes the tireless professionals that use our tools day after day. Unsung heroes who do the work that lets us live better. And as long as they're working, we'll be right there with them.
Number 3. Best budget. WGGE WG015 Multifunctional Wire Stripper. Number 4. Best automatic. Irwin Vice-Grip 2078300 Wire Stripper. Number 5. Noeasy Automatic Wire Stripper. Number 6. Best features. Klein Tools K12055 Wire Cutter and Wire Stripper.
Klein's heavy-duty steel wire strippers boast the heritage and durability of Klein pliers, with the sharpness and precision of a wire stripper. Like Klein's iconic pliers, these wire strippers are hot forged, making them 4 times stronger than traditional Klein wire strippers. Heat treating optimizes the strength of the steel, at the microscopic level to ensure that the tool is sturdy. The handles are soft and the cutting edges are hard. Two models strip solid and stranded wire. Each feature the two most common sizes for screw shearing. The hot riveted joint prevents wobble and separation of the blades over time. Induction hardened cutting knives, easily pinch cut hardwire, perform better and last longer than the Stamp Tools knives. Knurled jaws produce a strong grip when you're grabbing or twisting wire. The wide heads let you twist up to 3 wires at a time. Klein curve handles with the Journeyman grip provide added comfort. Made with the same exacting standards as Klein pliers, these heavy-duty wire strippers will be in your tool bag for the next.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.